Follow the enclosed instructions to properly prep your vehicle surface. Carefully tape the graphic into position with masking tape vertically through the stripe panel to create a hinge. Peel the liner away from the stripe on one side of the hinge. Lift the end of the exposed stripe a couple of inches above the vehicle surface and apply with the enclosed squeegee using short, overlapping strokes. Remove the tape hinge and peel away the remaining liner as you squeegee the remaining portion of the stripe, again using short, overlapping strokes. Trim away any part of the stripe that overlaps the vehicle wheel wells. Use a sharp knife to trim along the panel edges and use your finger to push down the trimmed edges. Carefully peel back the stripe's clear masking at a 180-degree angle to the vehicle surface. Use your knife to trim away any striping that overlaps the door openings. Cut along one edge and use your squeegee to wrap any leftover striping around the door edge. Repeat these steps on the other side of the vehicle to complete the application.